Today we will study salt bridge. What is salt bridge and what are its functions? Salt bridge is an inverted U-shaped tube. It is an inverted U-shaped tube filled with inert electrolyte. Inert electrolyte. It is filled with inert electrolyte. In case of cell, I will make a rough diagram here. In electrochemical cell, we see that zinc rod is dipped in the zinc electrounite and copper rod is dipped in the copper sulfate solution. These two solutions are connected by means of an insulated wire. These two electrodes are connected by insulated wire, and we use the inverted this U-shaped tube, which we call the salt bridge. Now this salt bridge is filled with inert electrolyte. What does inert electrolyte mean? Inert electrolyte is that electrolyte which neither comes in chemical change, in the electrochemical change, which neither comes in electrochemical change nor reacts with the solutions of the two half cells. यानी ये solution जो है सॉल्ट ब्रिज में जो हमने सोल्यूशन लिया, जनरली हम या KCl लेते हैं कंसनट्रेट सोल्यूशन, या पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट लेते हैं, या अमोनियम नाइट्रेट लेते हैं. तो ये सोल्यूशन जो है इट शुड नॉट कम इन द इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल चेंज. ना ये जो कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ रिएक्ट करना चाहे वो सोल्यूशन कहलाता है, ना जिंक सल्फेट के साथ, यानी इट शुड नॉट रिएक्ट विद द electrolytes of the two cell, nor it should come in the electrochemical change. So that solution is called an inert electrolyte. Now we know this inert electrolyte is prepared in the agar-agar medium. Actually, this agar-agar medium or gelatin is dissolved in the solution, in the concentrated solutions of, in the saturated solution of this KCl or KNO3 potassium nitrate, and then this solution is poured in this U-shaped tube. This is the U-shaped tube. इसमें हम भरते हैं पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, लेकिन पोटेशियम क्लोराइड में उसमें हम अगर ये या जिलेटिन डिसॉल्व करते हैं और फिर डिसॉल्व करके हॉट करते हैं. तो व्हेन इट इज पोर इन इट, व्हेन इट कूल्स डाउन, इट सॉलिडिफाइज. सो दैट प्रिवेंट्स द सेमी सॉलिड मास बनता है. It prevents the flow of it prevents the leakage or flow of through the openings. Now these openings are then plugged with the cotton, or they are plugged with a glass wool. So this becomes the salt bridge. Now what are its functions? What are functions of salt bridge? Now so far you have read what is salt bridge. You have read it is a U-shaped tube, inverted U-shaped tube filled with inert electrolyte, and you have come to know what is inert electrolyte. That electrolyte which does not come in the chemical change with the electrochemical change, nor with neither reacts with the contents of the cell. It is prepared in the agar-agar medium. Functions क्या हैं इसकी? Functions of salt bridge. This comes in the examination. Salt bridge function क्या है? या salt bridge functions क्या होती है? Sometimes it comes, what is salt bridge? What are the functions of salt bridge? So today we will study now what are functions of salt bridge. Number first, मैं पहले लिखता हूं, it completes the electric circuit. It completes the circuit in the electrochemical cell. I will show you. I have shown you the diagram here, rough diagram. In electrochemical cell, there are two electrodes, which is zinc. This is anode, and this is copper cathode. In these two cells, these electrodes are connected through the insulator wire and emitter. You have read it. Now the solution of the two cells, that is zinc sulfate and the copper sulfate, they are connected by means of the salt bridge. In other words, we can say that this salt bridge it completes the circuit. Externally, we connect the electrodes by means of insulator wire, and the solutions are connected by means of the salt bridge. So we say that the salt bridge completes the electric circuit. Number first, it completes the electric circuit. Number second, salt bridge maintains the electrical neutrality. It maintains the electrical neutrality in the cell. It maintains electrical neutrality in the cell. Now we will consider, to understand this, how it maintains the electrical neutrality, we will study a cell without salt bridge. I will show here diagram again. Here is the cell. I have made this. We will study without salt bridge. Now here it is the zinc rod. This is oxidation half cell. This is the reduction half cell. It is copper sulfate solution. Electrolyte, it is zinc sulfate solution. Now this is emitter and insulator wire. We have connected two electrodes, as you know. Now we have not used the salt bridge. When the cell works, electrons, zinc gets oxidizes and electrons are generated. These electrons pass through this insulator wire and current flows from copper to electrons flow from zinc to copper, and current flows from copper to zinc. When the reaction takes place, zinc ions pass into the zinc sulfate. Zinc ions pass into the zinc sulfate. So when the reaction takes place, when the process goes on, zinc ions get this positive charge, extra positive charge gets accumulated in the near the electrode. So due to extra positive charge which gets accumulated near the anode, now it prevents the flow of electrons. That means these electrons, they are now attracted back. They do not flow through the wire. So it prevents the flow of electrons. Similarly, in case of here, electrons are accepted by this cathode. Now when salt bridge is not there, due to the accumulation of negative charge, here accumulation of negative charge takes place. More and more electronegative charge takes place. So when here accumulation of positive charge takes, extra electrons does not flow. That means the cell stops automatically. It stops. So to prevent this, we use the salt bridge. That means यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी कम करने, यहाँ पर जो चार्ज पैदा होती है, जिंक dipose, they get accumulated. Here negative charge gets accumulated. So we use the salt bridge. When zinc ions are formed, extra zinc ions are formed. If we use the potassium chloride as an electrolyte, sufficient number of, here zinc ions are formed, sufficient number of chloride ions migrate and they neutralize these zinc ions, and when zinc ions get neutralized, electrons again flow. That means salt bridge maintains the electrical neutrality. Similarly, when negative charge gets accumulated, here more and more negative charge gets accumulated, we know what happens. Equal sufficient number of potassium ions move here, migrate, and they neutralize this negative charge. It maintains the electrical neutrality. Salt bridge maintains the electrical neutrality. Number third, it prevents liquid junction potential. That is the potential which arises if the two solutions are in direct contact with each other. There occurs the liquid junction potential. The potential difference, that liquid junction is potential difference which arises when two solutions are in contact. When two solutions are in contact with each other, that is called liquid junction potential. So it prevents the liquid junction because the two solutions are now in separate two beakers, and now they are connected by means of salt bridge. There does not arise any liquid junction potential. Number fourth, it prevents the voltage drop. It prevents the voltage drop. Now we have read the functions of salt bridge. I will repeat it. Salt bridge, it first completes the electrical circuit. Number second, it maintains the electrical neutrality. Number third, it prevents the liquid junction potential. Number fourth, it prevents the voltage drop. This is the function of the salt bridge. Now, when you use the cell, how does we write the notation of the cell? In notation of the cell, first we write, I will show it is A, B and C this way. A means anode, B means bridge, C means cathode. That means first you have read the anodic cell, then you have write the cathodic cell, you have write first oxidation cell, then you have write the reduction half cell. In oxidation half cell, we write first metal phase. That means zinc rod. And that by hyphen or line. इसके बाद zinc dipositive ions. And we write, that means we write the aqueous phase, and we write it is concentration 1 molar. हो गया anodic half cell. Then salt bridge we write by two parallel lines. इसके बाद cathodic half cell. Cathode में first we write this aqueous phase, copper dipositive, इसकी concentration 1 molar. And then this one line hyphen, and then we write this electrode cell, that means metal phase. We can write this is zinc semicolon Zn dipositive, parallel two lines copper dipositive and semicolon copper solid. This is the chemical notation. How can we write the cell? How can we designate the cell? This was the designation of cell. Thank you.